Hello everyone, this is Marty Gilmore Jr. I'm trying to figure out how to see I my Ableton Live 10 up, and I believe I have this right. I have my extra power on from my compressed microphone, but it's not and I have the mono on, but it's not giving out any feedback, or so if you see this video, please leave a comment, and you're a producer, please leave a comment and let me know what I'm doing wrong. I haven't messed with my Ableton in since 2023, September of 2023. So yeah, so that's basically where I'm at right now. So if you're a producer and you know what I'm doing wrong, comment on this video and let me know so I can fix it. So yeah, have a good one.